Hey, Jacob back here with Beck's Farm Equipment. Today I was going to talk about the orange power cattle chute. This is one I've been getting all kinds of requests to do the video on. I apologize it's taken us so long to do this, but here we are. This is a chute that is not only good looking, because go Pokes, you know what I mean? But also it's heavy, it's simple, and it gets the job done. Let's come over here and we can just take a look at this chute and all it has to give. It's a very strong construction. Everything on here is thick tube that's been welded and backed up with sheet plating. On our floor, we have a pretty decent floor here. That's pretty thick plate, and you have this big rebar on top. You have a good clean out area here behind where the cow or bull, steer, heifer, whatever bovine you have coming through here is gonna be pooping. And then we also have very good access for palpation. If that we are gonna be preg checking, if that you are needing to pull a calf, get in there and do some vet work, cleaning hooves, castrating, you name it, whatever reason you got to get back there. One thing this chute does have that I really like are the blinders. Whenever you are working some that you know are a little more skittish than others, sometimes them seeing your presence can be a little alarming. So sitting back here, you can operate your controls, run the whole thing without really having to worry about them looking at you too much or being too scared. Now this does have a pretty good reach on where you can work at. You can go all the way to this side here pretty easily. If my hoses weren't as tangled up, I'd probably go around even to the other side. This does have a V pattern squeeze that can be hydraulically adjusted. The bottom part can be sucked in quite a bit, so if you're going from working bulls to working calves, you can suck that middle part in, and then your adjustments all there. You're not having to manually do anything. The actual head gate is going to be a clamshell design, so very similar to a lot of the other chutes out here. This design, it allows you to have a little bit better headroom. The head sweep is also a really nice option to have on these. You're wanting to get in here to, you know, check mouths, implant, put in tags, dehorn, whatever the job is here. This is something that is very nice to have. And depending on if that you're doing more ear tags on one side or the other, you can go ahead and move this cylinder and bar over to the other side, and that's what these holes are here for. You can't put two here. I've had that asked before. Jokes aside, this is an awesome chute. I'd love to go through and just show you the hydraulic functions, just show you how it's running. We'll just go from there and start this puppy up.
Okay, let her rip. You gotta turn on the gas.
Yeah, I see that. Starting at the back, we will have our gate. Joe, if you want to go around them and show them what the gate looks like. Pretty decent opening. The speed can be increased if you want to be a little bit faster.
Speed can be faster, okay.
This is our squeeze. I'll open that up and let's show them how narrow and how
Yeah, no, that's not that good. Narrowest and then widest. Okay.
And then go around here to the head gate.
Okay.
these functions are all set on this valve system. You can adjust your flow rate on this. If this is a little too slow for your liking or a little too fast, there is an adjustment that you can make to make that speed up or slow down depending on what you're doing. Couple things I wanted to just mention. You do have full access to your shot areas up front and hoof access just by opening this here. And then of course, you have full access on both sides of this chute to your hooves and castrating areas, whatever you're gonna be doing. This whole side, there's a lever you can pull on the other side. This whole gate will open for a dump. If you had something get turned around, get two in there at once, whatever's happening, you could open up this side gate and do that. All these are pretty easy to open and shut on these flaps all the way down. But yeah, we have a couple of these here left right now. Now these are based off of the big red chute. I told the guys I have a hard time morally selling red items. Go Pokes.
Yeah.
Anyways, but we can get these in red if you want red, purple, green, pink, black. You get the picture, any color you want. I can get these made whatever color. And they are heavy duty and they're built to last. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have questions, hit me up, BexFarmEquipment.com. Send me an email, Facebook, call me, I don't care, whatever. We'll see you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more stuff coming. Thank you.